We're Total Aspect Design. We are a small engineering consulting firm in the upstate of South Carolina. We do mechanical design for chemical processes. I originally got into this because as a Christian, I wanted to bring a light to the business world, and I take Colossians 3:23 very seriously, which is do everything as if you're doing it unto the Lord. And that applies to how I handle everything, dealing with the employees, the clients, the work, any word that we give, that we say that we're going to do, we will do our best to hit it.
Typically, most full-blown projects begin with a known recipe, and we will try to scale that recipe up. We start that process by developing a high-level PFD, or process flow diagram of the process. That will have a lot of the heat and mass balance information in terms of the stream information on that document. So the instrumentation and equipment specification sheets are generated with all of the required information for each piece of equipment and instrument, so they can be used to be sent out for competitive quotes from vendors. In addition, if our customer does not feel like acquiring all those quotes, going through them, identifying what matches the specification sheets and what would be the best vendor to purchase from, Total Aspect Design can take on that process as well.